So hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today we will make an app. The name of the app is How is Weather. So the concept is you put the name of the city and you get the different different parameters like temperature, feels like maximum temperature for today, and what is the weather condition and all. So for that we will be incorporating the OpenWeather API. So let's start. So first thing we will work on the front end. So I will get rid of this status bar. So to do so, I will change this into no action bar. Okay, so I don't want this one as well. Okay, so just above the set content view, I will write some code, that is, sorry, two parameters will be passed here, that are and the second parameter will be the same as the first one. Okay, so we are done here. So when we will open the app, it will not show here. And one more thing, we need to give the permission for the app to use the internet. So inside manifest, internet permission, and that's it. So we are good to go. Now let's start. So I want a background for this one. So first I will get this one and paste it inside background JPEG. Okay, so I will name it as black. Okay, so I will choose background black. Okay, that's it. I will be needing a plain text to get the name of the city, and also I will be needing one button. Okay, I will give it a proper ID. Move the text over here, change the font, and also I will give enter city. Change the background color. Okay, so I will make it white. Okay, now next step is I have incorporated one to make it this, to add some radius to this text view. So do so, we will be needing one XML file. I will put the link to that in the description. So the name is round XML. It looks like this. So okay, so I will go inside text and drawable. Okay, so background will be inside drawable count. That's it. So this is how it looks. That is good so far. So I just need to change the welcome height, change the DP. This all you can play around with it, so you can make it as you like. Okay, looks good. I will center it and add some margin, and this button I'll name it as go. Okay. Done. It's good. I will change color. Let's make it somewhat maybe blue. Okay. Let's try white. Oh. Good. We'll change the font color. Change the font as well. Okay. We'll make it white. Yeah, looks good. I want to make the height of this both the same, so I will go inside here 40 dp. Yeah, now good. Okay, and some adding some padding here from the left side, it will look good, so let's say 30 dp. Yeah, and I will change the hint color as well, make it black. Okay, so we are done here. Another text view will be here. Let's make it center first. And change font. Show. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so I will add some margin, and that's it. So okay, coming to the yeah, looks good. So coming to the backend, and now I will code inside the Java file. So okay, so first thing we will add a click first thing we will text view, we will get those fields, text view, city name, and the button. One more thing was there, text view show. Find this views, so city name, okay. Now I will add a click listener to this button, which is search. I am having some problem. What is it? So let me check. So okay, find view by, wait a minute, oh sorry, text view. Okay, so done. So I will be adding a click listener to this button, so let's name it, yeah, new. So at first I will just toast something, and by doing this I will recommend to all of you to try this kind of tricks, so that you will be your program will be less bug. It will consist of less bug, and you can test it whenever you want. So if okay, so let me show you. Okay, I'll run it. Okay, okay, so I will need a one class named getWeather, which will extend okay. So we need to do some work inside this to do in background. So when the button is clicked, oh man, what is the problem with this one? Okay, oh okay, that's not a problem. So what we will do is for a time being, let's comment it out and check if it's working properly or not. Okay, so what we will do is, here we will create a class object, sorry, of type getWeather and name it as task. Task dot execute string. One string will be given here. Let me tell you what string will be. So the string will be a URL. and what is that URL will be. First let's check that it's working properly or not. Okay, see, go. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, then so we'll get a URL. So what that URL is, so at the beginning of video I have said that we will incorporate some OpenWeather API to do it. So the API, the URL to the API will be giving here. So okay, so the strings will be renamed as URLs. So yeah, this current weather data. All other API you can use as well. So in this app we will be using the current weather data. So we will go inside the dock, and all we need is for this link, and I will remove the samples. Okay, so copy, and one thing you will notice is if suppose I am giving Kolkata over here, so see, the name of the city is changed and also the temperature and all. So we will only be giving the name of city over here, and our work is done. So for time being we will check the weather for Kolkata only. Okay, so this is the URL, and I will pass it over here. Okay, so our work is done. So this is what we will return after getting all the things. So I am converting this converting this string into URL. But this needs to be inside a try catch block. So second thing we'll need is a stable url connection, which will be equal to url.openConnection, and we are getting an error, so we need to typecast it. Okay, that's it. So connect, yep, input stream reader, name it as input stream reader, which will be equal to okay. What is here? Okay, yeah, URL connection dot get input stream. We will be needing a buffer reader here. Name it as buffer. New buffer reader. New input stream reader and input stream reader. Okay, so again I will create a string, name it as line, while line is equal to reader dot read line is not equal to null. We will keep reading the data, and inside result dot append we will append the line, and also a new line will be appended over here. and we will return result and convert it to string, and here we will give it as return null. That's it, we are done here. And one more thing I need to do is, okay, so these are the this will be done in the background. So after doing this, I can add a new method which is known as on pre-execute, no sorry, on post execute. Okay, so whatever will be the output of this one will be put over here. So let's name it result, and what I will do is, we have a text view which is show. So whatever we are getting is, I will assign it to that, so result. So we will see what is happening. Okay, when it runs, I will explain this codes to you. So first we are converting this string into a URL, and these lines are like, which means we are getting the HTML file of HTML file of the website. Okay, and we are using a buffer reader to read those lines, and we are reading line by line. Okay, and checking if it's null. When it comes to null, then we exit this loop, and if it's not, we will append the line to it and also a new line. Okay, so let's check it's working fine or not. Okay, just button clicked, yeah. Okay, sorry. See, I will enter go, button clicked, and all the information is here. Okay, so I need to work with those instruction now. What I will do is, I will show you something. If I copy it and go in JSON formatter, and I will paste it over here and process the data, you can see there is a weather consisting of ID, main, description, icon, and main. All the important decisions are here, important parameters are here, like temperature, feels like, feel, min, temp, min, max, pressure, humidity, etc. So okay, so let's go. I will okay, so we need a JSON object over here. Let's name it JSON object equal to new JSON object, and one parameter will be given, which is result. Also this will be inside try catch block. Okay, JSON exception. That's it, we are done. Okay, so what we need is this one, the temperature feels like. So to do so, I will be defining a string as weather info and name it as it will be equal to JSON object dot get string, and what we need is this one. So main will be here. Okay, that's it. And okay, so now what I will do is show dot set text weather info and try it. again we can suppose if net connectivity is not there, or if the name of city is not correct. So in that case what we can do is temp. Okay. So we can temp is equal to dot get and after this I will check if this temp so in that case what I will do is show dot set text cannot find weather. Okay, let's see if it's working or not. See, it's working. Okay, so I need to work with this one, so it will be okay. And also we need to give the this city manually, so I will work with that as well. Okay, so inside onClick method I will create a string named city, and so city name dot get text dot to string. Okay, and all I need to do is I will put my city over here. That's it. And also first I will surround this one with if else. If city is not equal to null, only then I will run it. Else show dot toast. I will toast enter city. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to put all this code inside here. And define the string URL here. It works fine. So okay, so now I only need to work this with this one, this weather info. So let's see how it is. So this one is the okay, copy it, paste it, okay, let's see. Weather commented out, weather info is equal to weather info dot replace temp with temperature. Okay. Paste, comma with slash sign. Feels like to feels like, and leave it as it is. Okay, so this one will be replaced with a simple space. So let's check how it looks. Okay, let's give the city name as Kolkata. Go. Okay, so you can see it on your screen. So few more things we need to change. We need to get rid of this bracket. We'll remove this bracket with null. So first let's check if I don't give anything. Button clicked, cannot find weather. Okay, so Kolkata. Oh, something is wrong. Apart from this, we can also use this coordinate, weather and all as well. So speed, wind, clouds, system, type, country, name of the city and all. Okay, so sorry, you can see it on your screen. So also we need to get rid of this bracket as well. This, and I will increase the margin of this one. Yes, so if I put Kolkata, yep, it looks good. And one more thing, okay, sorry, so I will replace it with just simple, nothing. Suppose I give Mumbai. Oh, looks good. Suppose some gibberish. Cannot find weather. So it works perfect. And one thing I will need to get rid of is this toast. Whenever I'm clicking the button, it's giving me a toast. So that's it. Okay. So okay guys. So see, if I am giving location, say Bangalore. My spelling is wrong, I guess. Yep, working all good. So in this emulator, it's not showing perfectly. Or in my phone, it looks very good. I will share a screenshot as a thumbnail as well. So thanks, guys. Do subscribe to the channel. Okay. So bye.